Hey, welcome back. Come on in. You might have to get in through the back though. So welcome back to my house. Not a ton has changed in my living room or kitchen area, other than I've shoved more supplies in here. But some stuff did change in this part of the house, and I wanted to give you guys an update. Ta-da! My bathroom might not have a door, but it's fully functional. Also, I might do my dishes in my bathtub. This is my office space where I edit my YouTube videos and work on the occasional sewing project that I might procrastinate on several times and only get to 2/3 of the way done. I might also do the same thing with my YouTube videos and then never upload them, which is why it's been so long since you guys have seen me. This is my gym, also my mess. I don't believe in cleaning before YouTube videos to display a perfect life that isn't real. Also, there's lights in here. And look at this awesome chandelier. I learned how to wire this and I didn't even read the instructions, which is probably why it was a pain in my rear. Lights in the laundry. This and the chandelier are probably my favorite parts. My walk-in closet. And I even have art in it. Yeah. So, it has been several months that I've taken a break. I needed a break. It's been really cold. It's been a really, really hard winter. My house was pretty much the temperature that it was outside. Inside, because I never finished fully sealing it or insulating it, and it was just not physically possible for me to keep working on it in the winter. So I took a break and I started working on some things again recently. It was only last month that I did all of the lights and everything, and I just didn't film any of it. I did film some things that I'll probably still edit and post, but I think I'm just going to start filming again and editing from here and not really worry about all of that. Yeah, so expect some new videos from me soon, and thank you for watching. This is just a quick update of what my house looks like right now.